Tired of waking up with aches and pains? Today we're revealing the top 5 mattress toppers that transform any bed into a cloud-like sleep haven. From cooling technology to hotel-quality plush comfort, these affordable upgrades deliver the perfect night's sleep. Let's dive in. Number 5. Coming in. At number 5, we have this incredible cooling, breathable mattress pad that's designed to keep you comfortable all night long. What makes this topper special is its advanced quilted design that promotes airflow while providing that plush, hotel-quality feel you've been dreaming about. The deep pocket-fitted design means it stays securely in place on mattresses up to 21 inches thick. No more wrestling with shifting toppers in the middle of the night. The ultra-soft microfiber filling creates a cloud-like sleeping surface that cradles your body without feeling too hot. Whether you're a hot sleeper or just want that extra layer of comfort, this cooling pad delivers exceptional breathability while adding a luxurious feel to any mattress. It's machine washable, making maintenance a breeze, and the quality construction means it'll last for years. If you want to check the description and comments for the link to grab this cooling comfort upgrade for your bedroom. Number 4. At number 4, we're featuring a hotel-quality mattress topper that brings 5-star luxury straight to your bedroom. This 10 cm or thick topper is filled with premium hollow fiber that provides the perfect balance of support and softness. The brushed microfiber top layer feels incredibly smooth against your skin. It's like sleeping on a cloud. What really sets this topper apart are the elasticized corner straps that fit mattresses up to 40 centimeters deep, ensuring it stays perfectly in place night after night. The generous thickness adds substantial cushioning to firm mattresses or revives older ones that have lost their comfort. The hollow fiber filling is hypoallergenic and breathable, making it ideal for all seasons. Plus, it's fully machine washable, so keeping it fresh and clean is effortless. This is hotel-level comfort at an affordable price point. Check the description and comments for the link to upgrade your sleep. Number 3. Sliding into the number 3 spot is this exceptional cooling mattress topper engineered for hot sleepers and warm climates. The extra thick quilted design creates the ultimate breathable sleeping surface. With deep pockets ranging from 8 to 21 inches, this fitted pad accommodates virtually any mattress size while staying firmly in place. The overfilled microfiber filling provides substantial cushioning that relieves pressure points and supports proper spinal alignment. Here's the game changer. The cooling technology woven throughout the fabric actively helps regulate your body temperature. No more waking up in a sweat. The quilted pattern creates air channels that enhance breathability and prevent heat buildup. The plush top surface offers luxury hotel feel, while the fitted design makes installation incredibly easy. It's machine washable and maintains its loft and cooling properties wash after wash. Check the description and comments for the link to transform your sleep quality. Number 2, taking the silver medal. At number 2 is this luxuriously thick 10 cm hard 4-inch plush mattress topper that's all about maximum comfort and stability. What makes this topper stand out is the combination of incredible thickness and innovative elastic strap system that keeps it locked in place. We're talking about serious cushioning, 4 inches of premium filling that completely transforms how your mattress feels. If you've got an old, firm, or uncomfortable mattress, this is your solution. The plush filling conforms to your body's contours, providing pressure relief for your shoulders, hips, and back. The elastic corner straps are engineered to fit various mattress depths and hold the topper securely even if you toss and turn. The hotel-quality construction means commercial-grade durability at a consumer-friendly price. It's hypoallergenic and breathable. The white color keeps your bedroom looking fresh. Check the description and comments for the link to get yours. Number 1. And here we are at number 1. The absolute best mattress topper you can get. This 10 cm thick, ultra-soft microfiber topper combines cutting-edge anti-shift technology with superior comfort features. The anti-shift design means you'll never wake up to find your topper bunched up or sliding around. It stays exactly where you put it, maintaining perfect coverage. The ultra-soft microfiber filling is engineered for optimal weight distribution, eliminating pressure points and creating a supportive sleep surface. Available in all UK bed sizes from single to super king. The gray color is modern and sophisticated, matching any bedroom decor. The advanced weight distribution technology ensures your body weight is evenly spread, reducing strain on joints and muscles. The microfiber material is naturally hypoallergenic and resistant to dust mites. It's breathable for year-round use. Check the description and comments for the link to claim the number 1 spot in sleep comfort. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.